Hey, there's so many people right now trying to find natural remedy in order to stay healthy. And today I'm going to give you many health benefits of water. Did you know that about 70% of the world's population live daily essentially dehydrated? Hi, I'm Dr. Cooper-Dockery, board certified in internal medicine. I have been practicing medicine for over 30 years, and I just love to educate patients on how to use healthy lifestyle to stay healthy. And today I will discuss with you water as a natural remedy. Water is accessible. Water is inexpensive. Water is the best liquid that you can ever intake. Water is without calories. It is good to drink water. Did you know that in the healthcare industry, we use water as medicine? Yes. Many times you may find a elderly patient walks into the office or is taken to the emergency room, confused, weak, and we're thinking, hey, is this patient having a stroke? Labs are done, patient is reassessed, and we realize patient is merely dehydrated. And then what do we order? Water, IV fluid, just water and some salts. That's enough to give the patients the ability to start thinking again. Water can prevent gallbladder stone, kidney stones. You see, when one is dehydrated, there are certain salts and chemicals that increase in concentration and therefore crystallize and cause gallstone or kidney stone. Patient shows up to the emergency room with severe flank pain. What do we usually do? We assess, we realize the patient has kidney stone after maybe the sonogram, the x-ray, or the CT scan. We order water, IV fluid, flush the patients out. Water can treat gallstones, same process. Water is essential to prevent constipation. You may start having a high dietary fiber and you realize I'm eating more fruits and veggies and I think I'm still constipated. But how much water have you had for the day? You realize that you haven't had enough water. Water can treat constipation. Fatigue, somebody comes in very tired and you think, what is happening to this patient? Patient is merely dehydrated. Water is essential to keep you healthy. Headache, migraine headache. You may think, oh my goodness, I'm having a headache today. But how much water did I drink? You see, the brain cells are mostly made up of fat and 80% water. So if you do not drink enough water, these brain cells will not work well and you may have headache. How else can we use water? A study was done at the Loma Linda University looking at patients who had 5 glasses of water per day or more, 5 or more glasses of water per day, and those who had less than 5 glasses of water per day. Studies prove that the patients who had less than 5 glasses of water per day increased the risk for venous blood clot by 50%. It is essential to drink water. You see, when the patient is dehydrated, the blood becomes more viscous, and therefore there is more difficulty for the blood to move through the blood vessels. And that slowed blood going through the blood vessel can increase the risk of stickiness of those platelets and therefore clot formation. So if you don't want to have venous blood clot, and venous blood clot could lead to pulmonary blood clot, and this can be fatal, then you need to drink enough water per day. What else? Also, drinking enough water can actually lower the risk of hypertension. It is believed that when one is dehydrated, then this dehydration can trigger the body to start producing hormone that will cause the blood vessel to vasoconstrict, to tighten up, and this can lead to hypertension. Drinking enough water can lower the sodium, and you know, lowering the sodium also means lowering the blood pressure. So if you're not drinking enough water, and you may think, oh, it is hard to drink enough water. How do I get 8-ounce glasses of water in my system per day? So what I do in the mornings, I'll get up in the morning, I'll have 2 glasses of water at room temperature or warm water. I may add some lime juice just to make it more alkaline. Well, why do I like to drink warm water? Actually, warm water acts as a laxative. So that can actually detox the GI tract. And that is true. You can go ahead and try that. Put your 16 ounces of water, warm that water and drink it. And see what happens in about an hour or 1.5 hours. You will realize that you're going to have a BM. So water is medicine. Why don't you go out and drink a healthy glass of water today and improve your health? See you soon. If you like this video, then subscribe to this channel or share so that you can be updated when I have more informative videos for you to see. Bye.